I'm pulling up to Fortune Automotive. My car has been here before, but I'm basically, they're gonna be working on my car again, making some minor changes to the coilovers that are on my 2020 Supra. So I just wanted to let you know, hopefully I'll record some of this as like kind of a little blog, but if not, you know, I'm sorry. I've just been really busy. I forget to record some stuff, and you know, they have some beautiful cars that are parked out here as well as on the inside. They have some just amazing cars. Sorry, the lighting, it is very sunny out. Look at these beautiful cars. And then more beautiful cars. So I'm gonna pull my car up here. I don't know exactly where they want it. And I'm gonna head inside and hang out for the day. Cause, well, nowhere to go and they need my car for a couple hours, so. Just to show. So I just wanna show my coilovers now that the tires are off. I'm here hanging out at Fortune Automotive. Hey.
Oh, hey, how you doing? I didn't know you were recording outside.
Oh no, it's all good. Yeah, no, I just wanted to kind of show since I haven't had this up on a rack yet or in my house, because my 370Z is in my garage. So I'm here at Fortune Automotive. Here's some other beautiful cars that they just have hanging out, and then all their warehouse and stuff like that. All right, so here's the front. You saw the rear is a split suspension, and the front is a single coilover, and then you got all the sensors for the KW kit, because you get rid of the front dampeners and all that. So there we go. That's my suspension. That's the underside of the car, nice and dirty. All my daily. So these are the original style that they put, and then they upgraded to this, which is what I have on my Supra, the 510 series. And then these are like the next level, which I don't think that those would even work on the Supra. I don't think they make that for it. Or they do, but don't know. Alright guys, so I realized I didn't make an ending to that day. I got really busy. So I took the car to Fortune Automotive. They replaced the front top hats with the actual production top hats for the Supra coilovers, the 510 series. Awesome. The car, since I've had it, the Supra, it's been amazing. It's night and day difference between having track suspension coilovers on your car than the suspension the car comes with. Not saying that the suspension on the car stock is bad, it's just different. It's not designed for a track environment per se. Coilovers, you can raise the car up, lower the car down, just literally take the tires off and a wrench. It's that easy. Within, you know, 5-10 minutes, you have the car completely, you know, inches off the ground. It also gets rid of the front independent dampening, so it's just solid now. You have to get a KW cancellation kit to cancel out so you don't get any error codes on the car. The car rides so much better than stock. I absolutely love it. Now, it's not for everyone. I drive it daily. Most people, you don't want to put a track suspension on a daily car. It just rides differently. You feel the road more. I love the feel of the road. I love just the car in general. So I plan on making more videos. I actually have a test pipe coming from Forge Performance. I have the, not test pipes, charge pipe coming for the Toyota Supra. It comes this Saturday. Depending on when I get the time to actually install it, I plan on installing it and going from there. Eventually down the road, I might do the Ecutech tuning. I want to do the downpipe as well as the intake. I just don't want to void my warranty, so I'm kind of tossing ideas around in ways to do it without having a tune, without getting caught having a tune. Like swapping ECU or something that basically won't void the warranty of the car if I do have any type of manufacturer problem. So for now, I'm keeping the car stock-ish. And thanks for watching. Hopefully you like my videos. There are more to come. I've just been really busy, and I still have tons to work on my 370Z. I also have other stuff going on that I'll be doing more editing of video later on. But please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and check out whatever video YouTube recommends to you. And thank you.